Fetch Rewards weekly bonuses are tied to specific bonus offers inside the app, which means you only earn the extra rewards when your purchases match the listed requirements. By the end, you'll know how Fetch Rewards weekly bonuses work, how to complete them correctly, and what to check if your bonus is not showing up. Section 1 is understanding the weekly bonus system. A Fetch Rewards weekly bonus is an offer that gives you additional rewards when you complete certain actions. The requirements for each bonus can be different, so the first step is checking the current bonus details inside the Fetch app. Open Fetch and review the bonus section before shopping. Look at the products, brands, or purchase requirements listed in the offer. Buying an item that does not match the bonus rules may not count toward completion. The receipt still may earn regular rewards if it qualifies, but the weekly bonus depends on meeting the specific offer conditions. Section 2 is why your weekly bonus may not update. The first thing to check is your receipt status. Fetch needs to process your receipt before eligible purchases can be counted. Open your activity history and confirm that the receipt was successfully submitted and credited. Also check that you are signed into the correct Fetch account. If you use a different account, your purchase history and bonus progress may not appear because the activity is connected to another profile. Another step is reviewing the offer details again. Some bonuses require specific products, quantities, or purchase conditions. Compare your receipt with the requirements shown in the app to confirm that everything matches. Section 3 is fixing weekly bonus problems. Start by refreshing the Fetch app and checking your activity history. Update the app if you are seeing outdated information. Make sure your internet connection is working correctly when submitting receipts or loading your rewards information. If the bonus still does not appear after your purchase has been processed, contact Fetch support. Provide your account details, receipt information, the bonus offer you were completing, and screenshots if available. These details help support identify whether the issue is related to receipt processing, offer eligibility, or account syncing. The key points are simple. Fetch weekly bonuses require qualifying purchases. Your receipt must be processed before progress appears, and checking the exact offer rules can prevent missing rewards. Your next step is opening Fetch, reviewing your current weekly bonus requirements, and matching your shopping receipts to the listed conditions. If this guide helped you understand Fetch Rewards weekly bonuses, like the video, and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.